is up, guys? It has been like 8 or 10 days since my last vlog, and I am super energized. I had a good little vacation with Rachel!
Hi!
Yeah, we had a little vacation at Longset Resort. So this is the resort that I was at about 2 months ago. I came out with about 2 vlogs at Longset Resort. I'll put the link below, and it was an incredible time. It did rain a little bit, so we were watching a lot of Netflixes. We relaxed at the beach, and we just hung out. Longset Resort was an awesome stay. And now we are in Cambodia in a car right now. So this morning we missed our ferry. Our ferry came kind of late, I guess. It was originally supposed to be at 6 a.m. It came at 9 a.m., really 9:45. We missed our 9:30 bus ride all the way out from Sinakville to Phnom Penh, and we missed our 10:30 bus ride out from Sinakville to Phnom Penh. So we got a taxi for 60 American dollars, which we negotiated for $55. Everything's negotiable. And now we are heading to Phnom Penh. Originally it's about a 4-hour ride, and it's gonna take a little bit longer because it's been raining like crazy. I am vlogging again. I felt naked not vlogging the last like 8 days. I was like telling Rachel like, oh, I miss vlogging.
Oh my god.
I miss vlogging, and I'm so excited to be back. And we have a special collaboration set up in Phnom Penh. I hope we make it. There's 2 ferries to get to where we need to be tonight, and you guys will see. So we have about 3 more hours back on the road, and yeah, hopefully we make it to Phnom Penh. I'm so excited! And after a 5-hour taxi ride, private taxi ride, we made it back to Phnom Penh. So we were in Phnom Penh for 2 nights right before Sinakville and Longset, and I'm back in Cambodia, which I'm super stoked to be here. How was your stay at Longset?
Oh, it was wonderful. I would totally recommend for anyone.
So we're gonna get some quick food right now, then we have a special setup. In about 1 hour, our ferry leaves to a special place that we're staying at tonight. I'm super stoked to be here. I'm a little sad that Longset's over with, but I'm happy to be back in Cambodia, and I'm happy to be here for 1 full week. So I'm gonna be in Phnom Penh for 1 full week. I have a few vlogs I'm gonna be busting out. I have a collaboration and a partnership set forth with a tour company, so I'll show you guys a little bit about Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. And yeah, we're gonna grab a bite right now, and we're gonna jump on our ferry, leaving in about 1 hour to our special setup. Mekong bungalows. All right, so we had a quick dinner, see what I did there, and now we are heading on to the Le Ton Le, which is on Riverside, right next to the Titanic restaurant. They have 2 ferries at 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. and we're gonna be heading to a super special collaboration I have set up. We're going to a suite on the Mekong River. So there's a restaurant, and there's I think 1 bungalow or maybe 3 suites on the river, and yeah, it's supposedly really serene. It's absolutely beautiful sunset of Phnom Penh, and I'm super stoked. So she looks happy too. She looks excited.
Look at the boat!
Oh my, check out the boat. Oh, that's the boat right there. After you. And yeah, it's supposedly about an hour ferry ride, and it's again literally right on the Mekong River. So we're gonna stay 1 night here, and yeah, we have this awesome setup for us tonight. We made it, thank you, Hakun. Oh my god, this place looks amazing! Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is sick. Thank you. After you, ladies first. So we started on the Tonle Sap River, we ended on the Mekong River, and this is our 1 suite. There's also a restaurant over here, and this is the 1 suite that's on the Mekong River. Perfect. Yep, this is our private suite. This is such a beautiful view. Oh my goodness. Wow. There's a giant gecko back there.
Tea and coffee are complimentary for you.
So this is our 1-bedroom suite, the only suite on the Mekong River, overlooking Phnom Penh. This is absolutely beautiful. Check it out real quick. So right over here we have our Thai queen with a beautiful view of Phnom Penh. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. Right on this side, they have the restaurant right over here that allows some people to come to the restaurant on certain ferry schedule, but it's our restaurant for tonight. And right in here is our suite. So you walk right in, we have a little mini fridge, we got a bed, We got a sofa, We have a bathroom. Very simple bathroom, I love it. And it's pretty cool because everything's run by solar panels on top of the roof, and we're right on the Mekong River, so you get a spectacular view of the sunset. You get a nice little suite, you have the curtains closed, you can open it up, you can wake up to the beautiful view of Phnom Penh. And yeah, we have one night here. Again, I have a partnership with this hotel chain, one of the largest hotel chains in all of Cambodia. They've set me up the entire week with different resorts and hotels all around Phnom Penh, and the sun's gonna be setting probably in the next hour or so. We could eat either at the restaurant or we can eat on our balcony. We're gonna eat some dinner on our balcony tonight, and we're gonna enjoy this for one night. So let's get the drone up, show you what the drone looks like. Let's get some cinematics going right before dinner, and let's enjoy the view. Whoop. Oh, this is beautiful. What an incredible drone flight. Sunset was absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna walk 10 feet to our restaurant. Hello. Oh my God, look at this. Where would you like to sit?
There, right beside the river.
Okay, right on the side of the river. It's so dark out here, I don't know if you can see anything, but this is our own restaurant for the night. Again, you could rent it out, you could take ferries out here at specific times, certain times, to eat at this restaurant specifically and catch a beautiful sunset. Unfortunately, someone canceled their reservation, so we have the whole restaurant to ourselves, and it's only 10 feet from our suite. Cheers to floating sweets.
Yeah.
All right, so the first dish is pomela with shrimp. This looks absolutely delicious. And this is called soda water. Dish number 2, crab meat shell soup. And this is dish number 3, amox, which is fish, and steamed rice. She got the same thing. And here's our dessert, watermelon and mango with a view. All right. Akun, thank you so much. Akun, see you in the morning. And as you see, the guy's here all night, so they just switched shifts, and one guy ended up going back to land, probably where he lives. And this guy's basically security. He's gonna be here all night. It's us, one suite, the restaurant, and him. So he's gonna be here all night, kind of protecting us, protecting the area, protecting the place, let's say. And we're back in our suite. Took only like 20 seconds to walk, not even that, with a beautiful view. And we're gonna be chilling out tonight. I think we're gonna watch a couple episodes of Arrow, call it an early night, and then we're gonna start our morning with a good stretch. And that is my 5 to 10 minute stretch routine. I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 years straight now. Every single morning I dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to a full stretch. Basically you've been sleeping for like 7, 8, 9, 10 hours and you're kind of stiff. So I got an awesome stretch in. I'm gonna go in, chug a bottle of water, enjoy this view over here on the Mekong River. This place has been absolutely incredible. Last night was amazing. It's so serene, it's so peaceful out here. The thing about being out here though on a floating bungalow, I kept hearing, and at first I thought, is someone walking around on our deck? Is someone walking around the restaurant? And it's actually the water hitting the wood. So I was like, who's on this flotation suite with us? A little worried at first, but it's the water hitting the wood, and it's super peaceful out here. Sunset was absolutely incredible out here. I'm gonna go chug some water. We're gonna have some breakfast out here to start our morning, and then we're gonna head to the second hotel at 11 o'clock. And then from dinner to breakfast, we have breakfast served for us. We got some eggs, we got some peppers, we got some toast. And thank you! And we are eating breakfast on the Mekong River today. Mekong River is the 12th largest river in the world, the 7th in Asia specifically. It runs through 6 countries. It runs through Laos, Myanmar, China, Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia, and it's been an incredible stay here in Cambodia at the Flotation Suite. I absolutely love this, and we got good company here. Good company, breakfast, Mekong River. This has been an incredible stay. We're gonna crush some breakfast right now, and we're gonna get ready to check out. Oh, I'm gonna miss this. And our own charter boat is waiting for us. Oh, thank you so much. All right, one night here has been absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend the Flotation Hotel on the Mekong River if you're coming out to Phnom Penh. Right now we have a 30-minute ferry ride, and then we're gonna catch a $3 maximum tuk-tuk ride to our next hotel. I'm gonna be there for 2 nights, and yeah, let's go. Thank you! Akun. $2. After a long negotiations, the guy's gonna be driving Rachel back to the airport later on. We made it to the Pavilion Hotel. They are owned by the same company that owns Flotation. Again, the same company will be taking care of me all week at different hotels. But this place looks absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm walking through a jungle right now. Look at the pool. Holy smokes. Fancy. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, slippers on. And I made it to the suite room here at the Pavilion. Check it out real quick before I dirty it up. So this is the entrance right when you walk in. And then you have this beautiful little setting where you can sit, where you can enjoy yourselves. The menu's over there. Rachel's checking out the menu. And there's basically 2 couches right over here. Right outside, there's a beautiful balcony. It looks like it's marble floor. And then walking right over here, you have a beautiful Cambodian statue. And right through this way, you have the master bedroom. Not sure if that's a king-size bed, but you have a beautiful bed right over here with mosquito netting. You have giant, giant windows. I absolutely love this. This looks absolutely beautiful. Instagrammable. Right over here, you have a television. You have the mini fridge right over there. This room is so, so nice. I love the charm of this room, especially of that chair. And then walking right through this way, you have a beautiful little bathroom with a waterfall shower. You got a toilet, you got the sink, you got me, and then the safety box, the robes are right in there. And this is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna be here for the next 2 nights. They basically taken care of the next 2 nights, another 2 nights at the Kabiki, and then the last 2 nights at the tea house. Again, all owned by the same company. And I am super stoked for my next week out in Phnom Penh. Unfortunately, Rachel's gonna be leaving in about half an hour, and we're gonna make a quick shot to the airport. Are you going through what you can't have because you're leaving in 20 minutes? Adios, I miss you. It was an awesome time.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. See you on Saturday.
Don't forget to pick me up.
I will forget.
Okay.
Unless you remind me.
You're so sweet, I'll remind you.
Bye-bye.
Ciao. And I'm super stoked to vlog by myself. It's gonna be a little different, but I am super stoked to bring you guys Phnom Penh for the next week in Cambodia. Part 2 of Cambodia vlogs. And horns galore. And yeah, we'll catch you guys back at the hotel. Back to the Pavilion. What a good and quick little workout out here. Just now, I'm sweating like a fat pig already. And the thing about this is I have been going to the gym for the last week, so I started my gym routine, my gym trend back, and I've been craving it. And it's funny, because when you're in Southeast Asia, maybe anywhere in the world besides the US, everything's in kilograms, so I'm constantly asking Siri, hey Siri, how many pounds is 15 kilograms? Siri's like, not enough. But awesome, awesome gym session. I'm gonna get back to the room right now. I think I'm gonna shower up, get some dinner, and call it a night. Let's get in the room first. Awesome, awesome gym session it was. I'm completely tired, I need to shower. It's been an incredible 10 days so far in Cambodia. Specifically 2 days, the last 2 days in Phnom Penh at the Flotation Suite, now to the Pavilion. I'm super stoked to partner up with MAADS Asia. I'll actually put all the links in all the descriptions below. So if you are looking to check out the Flotation Suite, or if you're looking to check out this beautiful hotel, the Pavilion, it's a 4-star hotel out here in Cambodia, so it's a little more on the pricier side. Again, you can go a lot cheaper, but This is absolutely beautiful, and I'm super stoked for this collaboration out here in Phnom Penh. So I hope you guys are glad that I'm back, and be on the lookout for tomorrow's vlog, which will be discovering Phnom Penh all around Phnom Penh. I'm so happy to be vlogging. Not vlogging for like the last 8-9 days has absolutely felt naked. It's been awkward not walking around, not talking to you guys, and I'm so happy to be back. So be on the lookout for the next vlogs. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below. You guys know what to do. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Oh my God, I'm so sweaty. Time to shower up. Catch you guys on the flip side.